Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you how to create different recipes I've learned throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy, some healthy, some not so healthy. If you haven't already seen today's thumbnail, it is going to be slow-cooked oven-baked ribs. We're going to be using some of these St. Louis spare ribs. We're going to be using some Midlife Crisis Spices Adams Rib Rub. I'm not going to go into the ingredients yet, but just say it's going to be some delicious seasonings of the proper proportions. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove this membrane off the back. You don't have to, but it's better for tenderness. Now that we've effectively got the membrane removed, let's go ahead and give it a good coating of Adams Rib Rub. And I forgot to mention, go ahead and preheat your oven to 275 because this is going to be cooking low and slow for a good 3 hours. Now we're going to apply a generous amount of the rub. For best results, you'd like to put this in the fridge overnight to let it soak in, but just for the sake of the video, we're just gonna toss her in the oven. After, we put a second layer of tinfoil on this to seal it in best we can. Now that the ribs are out of the oven, let's give them a try. But don't forget to go to midlifecrisisspices.com and check out Adams Rib Rub. Here's the moment of truth. Extremely delicious. Fall off the bone. So good. Maybe dip in a little bit of barbecue sauce for some extra flavor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.